always thought, if I had a different name, would my life be different? Like, imagine if I had a name like Jimmy Ricardo, evolved from the jerk, become the king of the cards, king of the castle, king of the bar stool. Life by all, nobody thinks he's an asshole. Pass the parcel to Jimmy. Everybody pass quicker than getting off of the glass to kill Kenny. If anything, Jimmy's the man of the millennium. No two men can better him, not even Lenny and Carl. I put a penny in the jar, I swear he's rare as seeing Henny in your mini bar face at the cinema like Andy Garcia. But compared to Jimmy and he so last year, Brazzy is a throne at his feet. Ladies love him cause he's got a little dimple in his cheek. Making me sick to my stomach and there's nothing you can do, you gotta love him. It's Jimmy Ricard. Raise your glass for the king of the bar. It's Jimmy Ricard. Women swinging their bras, ladies swinging their bra for Jimmy Ricard. All my people singing the rah hurrah for come and get down with Jay. He was always in the right place at the right time, had a lifeline, wiser than 95% of the sci-fi followers, and his collar popped down like they should be. Living up life that La Lane, no one would leave. And it could be cause he had the world in his palm. Every week a different girl on his arm. His mom a doctor, dad a rock star, concoct a little something. 9 months they popped out of Jay. Jimmy Ricard. Raise your glass for the king of the bar. It's Jay. Jimmy Ricard. Women swinging their bras, ladies swinging their bra for Jimmy Ricard. All my people singing the rah hurrah for Jay. Come and get down with Jay.
The J, the I, the M, the M, the Y, the J, the I, the M. It's Jimmy. It's Jimmy. The Jimmy is Jimmy, no matter what. The I is Jimmy, no matter what. The M is Jimmy, no matter what. It's Jimmy.
Yeah, check. It's like everything he touches turns to gold, it's amazing. Destiny on his side like Jay-Z, pushing up daisies, a breath of fresh air, the best there is. Like getting in the electric chair and live untouchable. He never care